Hi everybody, I am making a cake. It's a small cake, it's stovetop, it doesn't take any time to make. I'm showing you how to make the cake and the frosting. So let's get started. In a bowl, I'm going to add some all-purpose flour. Now I'm adding some unsweetened cocoa powder. And this is sugar, baking soda, a little bit of melted butter. This is some milk. And last but not least, 1 egg. Now I'm going to mix it until it's completely combined. Do not overmix. Only mix until you don't see any more powder. This is an 8-inch skillet. It's cold. I'm not putting the heat on yet. I'm spraying it with a non-stick baking spray. Now I'm going to add my cake batter. So now I'm going to turn on the heat to the lowest setting. I'm going to cover it and I'm going to cook it. The last time it only took me 10 minutes. This time it took me 13 minutes. It will be done when you stick the toothpick in it and it comes out clean. I think it depends on the thickness of your pan. Just start checking it at 10 minutes. Now I'm going to put it off to the side on a plate so that it can completely cool down. So here's my cake. It's the perfect little size. So now let's make some frosting. So here's a bowl. I'm going to sift in some powdered sugar and some unsweetened cocoa powder. Now I'm going to add some softened butter. Then I added some milk, a little at a time, until it was the thickness that I liked. I will give you the measurements that I used. At a certain point, I thought it was a little runnier than I wanted it to be, and I added a spoonful of the powdered sugar, and then it came out the perfect thickness for me. So you can definitely customize your frosting. So then I put my frosting on top of my cake. It's completely cooled off, and it's the perfect amount of cake and frosting for a small crowd. I added some chocolate sprinkles. So here's my cake. Look at this. It's the perfect little cake. Look at this. It's nice. It's moist. And I made it stovetop. Can you believe that? Really easy. Really an easy cake to make. It comes out really good. The frosting. It's the perfect little cake. So thanks for watching.